Welcome back to Green Beauty Chemist channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's close to my heart, the best natural oils for moisturizing ethnic hair. Whether you have coils, curls or waves, keeping your hair hydrated and healthy is a top priority. And for those of you interested in formulating your own hair care product, you will want to stick around for some pro tips and a special resource. Let's kick things off with coconut oil, a true classic in hair care. Rich in lauric acid, it penetrates the hair shaft, nourishing deeply. It's ideal for preventing protein loss and damage and undamaged hair. But remember, a little goes a long way. Use it as a pre-shampoo treatment or add a few drops to your conditioner. Next up, we have argan oil, often called liquid gold for its incredible benefits. It's packed with vitamin E and fatty acid, making it perfect for adding shine and reducing frizz. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner or as a styling agent to add that extra gloss to your hair. Now let's talk about olive oil, an excellent choice for deep conditioning treatment. It's not only moisturizing but also rich in antioxidants. Warm it up and apply it as a hot oil for that extra level of hydration. For those with a dry, itchy scalp, jojoba oil is a savior. Its structure is similar to the oil naturally produced by our scalp, making it great for balancing oil production. Use it as a scalp massage oil or add it to your favorite hair mask recipe. Moving on to a lesser known gem, baobab oil. This oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants, vitamins A, E, and health, and omega fatty acids. It's fantastic for promoting hair growth and improving hair elasticity. You can use it in DIY hair mask or as a daily moisturizer for your hands. Let's not forget castor oil, especially Jamaican black castor oil. It's known for promoting hair growth and thickness. It's a heavier oil, so I recommend using it sparingly or in a hair growth serum formulation. Now, if you are into crafting your hair oil blends or products, let's talk preservation. While oils don't typically go rancid quickly, adding a natural preservative like vitamin E can extend the shelf life. For homemade products, a general guideline is to use around 0.5% to 1% of a natural preservative like rosemary extract or vitamin E. For those ready to take their formulation skill to the next level, head over to stablecosmeticformulas.com. It's an amazing resource for learning how to make retail-grade beauty products. You'll find in-depth courses, tips on formulation, and much more. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest video. We've got tons of exciting content coming your way. In summary, choosing the right oil for your hair type and needs can make a significant difference in the health and appearance of your hair. Whether you are using this oil as seeds or formulating your unique products, they are a natural and effective way to nourish your hair. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, your hair deserves the best. Natural, nourishing, and formulated with care. See you in the next video.